All right. And we're off. We're off on a mission to find Beef's TV. Called me 3 times this morning. It's just blowing me up to go ride some one-footers somewhere in San Clemente.
Dang, Blair's gonna leave Laguna, man.
I know, I'm leaving Laguna again. This is gonna be great. I'd never go to San Clemente. Me and San Clemente don't get along too well. There's too much real surfing going on over there. A lot of serious surfing. But today we're doing some serious boogie boarding and softboarding with Beef's TV. So that should be fun. Yeah. Beef's is gonna boogie. He's gonna have just hopefully be POV booging the whole time. We'll be getting the land angle of Beef's POV booging. And I'm just gonna go out there and try to burn him a couple times. It'll be great. Drop in on him right as he's about to get the nice POV boogie barrel shot of the day. Oh, and it's like 30-mile-an-hour offshore winds. So it's gonna look extra pretty. It's very good conditions. The waves are just a little... They're cute. They're very cute. We'll leave it at that. Fun facts about Beef's TV that you might not know. He was a professional bodyboarder back in the day. So the guy knows how to boogie. And he's definitely more technical, and he criticizes my boogieing a lot. So he's really taught me. He's been my boogie board coach for a little while now. And I feel like I've made some major improvements. He told me at first my hand placement was really bad and my style was pretty gross. He said we want that. I guess my hand is on the side of the boogie board instead of at the nose. I guess it's supposed to be on the nose and not on the side. Like what?
Yeah, man, there are rules, man.
I didn't know there's rules for boogie boarding.
You can't grab at the board tindy.
You can't what? Grab the board? Oh.
Like you know what I mean? Like if
it's like pushing Mongo on a skateboard,
yeah,
but
exactly, yeah.
Yeah, so I learned that one, and I still hold my boogie board the same. It works for me, man. I don't really care too much. I'm just trying to have a good time out there. As long as I'm getting barreled, then I'm doing something right.
Are you coming out of barrels though?
Dude, I've been coming out of barrels here and there, man.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. You'll see.
It's just not for me. Whenever I film, you don't come out.
Yeah, we also haven't had a very good boogie day. You know, we'll get a good boogie day one of these days. Yeah, I come out of barrels every once in a while. How'd we do out there, Andre?
How was it?
I don't know. How did I do? I caught like one wave every probably 15 minutes. That was my average. And then that'll edit down to like 30 seconds of surfing. Filming surfing's hard, man. It's so much different than filming skimming because we can get literally 2 to 3 waves every minute. No, maybe not that much, but you get a lot more waves in a short period of time. And it was just a little slow out there today. You really had to be patient and hope that the wave came to you, or else you were kind of bummed.
I like your attitude.
I'm going really serious driving right now. Yeah. And the two.
I feel safer now.
Yeah.
Doesn't
Focused.
happen.
I'm focused.
Doesn't happen very often. No, but it was good, man. It was really beautiful out there.
Yeah.
The offshore definitely made the waves very cute.
Yeah. It looked like East Coast on a meager day. I mean, East Coast in the summertime on a good day is what it looked like. That was everything about that had East Coast playfulness written all over it. So yeah, I thought it was fun. I surfed for a while. That was the most fun surfing I've had in a little while. So, dude, I kind of got a sick one on Greyson's board. I did I was riding a real board for once, and it kind of felt good. I did a little turn.
Yeah, I saw that. Dude, some Key West turn.
Dude, I wish I knew how to do a turn better on a surfboard. That's one thing I want to improve on a little bit. I feel like, yeah, it's a hard thing to do, especially coming from the skimboarding background, to like figure out how to do a proper turn on a surfboard. It takes some time to learn. It's like, I don't know. Yeah, when you're so used to doing a turn on a skimboard and now you put some fins in there, it's kind of a different ball game. But we're learning. We need to practice more, that's for sure. I don't know, most of the waves that I surf, I would break my reel board in like 2 seconds. So it has to be a good wave, or good surfing wave, in order for me to whip out a reel board.
I thought you were surfing Kalani's board.
No, that was Greyson's. We all switched. We did a big switch out. I took Greyson's board. Kalani gave Greyson his board, and then Kalani was riding my 54 special for a little bit. So, yeah, it was fun. I kind of wish I got to try Kalani's board. His real board looked pretty nice. You see how small of barrels that guy can fit in?
Yep.
Kalani, dude, he does like yoga to get into the barrels. He does I don't even know, the freaking.
We're gonna show you how
downward dog.
how unflexible play is.
Yeah, right, dude. I can touch my toes.
On a good day after warming up for half an hour.
Oh. No creds. I'm pretty flexible. For your average skimboarder, I would say I'm kind of running us off the road.